Here is our GMC Yukon Denali. I think it's 0360, obviously. Towing our Suburban we just bought. Got Kentucky. We're towing back to Indiana. Northwest Indiana, Chicago. Look that bad. A little done quarter, minor rust spot. A quick overview. You get it for 1,200 bucks. There's a little rust in the rockers. You really can't see it. We're just showing you how this truck can tow it. Maybe a little buckle in the hood too. It's hard to tell. It's actually pretty clean. It's almost got 400,000 miles. Battery's dead in here. I'll show you what it looks. Here's the Kentucky plates. It's not that bad. I guess they get a little bit of rust down there. Got a little rust in the rockers down there too again. There's that little spot. It's going to be hard to see with this light. But here it is. There she is. Looking pretty. With our truck sitting there towing it. Jesus. And there we're just squatting on the ground. This has about 250. I think that has about 400,000 miles on it almost. Got a gas line leak. And then they replace the throttle this sensor, but didn't do a relearn. So relearn and then maybe the clutch pedal or the gas pedal. So we're showing you what one of these damn things will do when they're towing. They had to go up a couple of hills coming from Kentucky. She's a little squatted because of the hill there too. So I'd fast I'd take it at 60. I will not. No, I like 55. They were past me, but you see my quarters are gone. So rockers are gone. They say a minimum like 3,500 to 4,500 to do that. Doesn't fix my clear coat. Doesn't fix the dings and dents around the rest of the truck, and the inner quarters are gone. So there you go. It can be done. One truck to another. Fortunately, we didn't have the trailer brake controller hooked up. We have one, but we should have hooked it up. So just a little food for thought what these can do if you're careful. Thank you for watching. Looking on our truck. Gas leak. Major gas leak. Right where that screwdriver is. You see the hole there? There it is. So we'll continue some more working in the dark, so we really can't show too much of the truck progress yet.